Hello team, this is Steve. I wanted to show you how to audit the call log inside the CRM. Just a reminder, all phone calls that come into the dealership are inputted into this call log inside the CRM. If you remember, we decided this as a management team because what was happening with DealerSocket is that even service calls were going into the CRM as sales ups. So instead of automatically inputting every phone call as a sales up, with DriveCentric, we're putting them in this call log. What that means for you as a manager is that you need to review the call log at least once a day, probably multiple times a day, or you'll get behind. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you first log in, you're going to click on this call log icon. And I typically change it from today to this week, but there's various other options you can select. I'm going to sort by customer. So what happens is that all the phone calls that are not inputted as a sales up comes first. That's why it says add customer. And it gives you information here, what source it came from, the salesperson that answered it, what call it came from, what number it called, and how long the call is. And there's different things you can add here. Of course, there's date and time. But the default report is good enough. If your report does not look like this, you just simply got to go to this icon here and select which columns you want. But I think it's all set up this way as a default. So what this tells me here is that for this week we've had 96 phone calls, inbound phone calls, and you can see a majority or a lot of them have no customer or has no valid sales opportunity added to them. Now some of these may be service calls that went into these numbers. So it's our responsibility to go and review the call by clicking this call recording. Once you click that, the recording will stop or start, and you can listen to it, and you can see if it's a sales up or not. If it is, like for example, Danny Connell, this customer right here, the first one that shows here, which is in the Tom Bush Family Dealership store, is a valid phone up. The customer called in and says, "Hey Danny, I talked to you earlier about the CX-5. I want to come in and look at the vehicle." This customer is still not in the CRM. Why? Get with the sales advisor and find out and coach him that every phone call he gets needs to be put into the CRM as an up. And you would, add the customer here, put the customer information in, like you typically would. But from here you can do that. If this customer is not in the CRM and you want to add it, you're just going to add the customer, or click the add customer icon there. You're going to add the first name, last name, email, and hit add. And it's going to add it into the CRM as a valid sales up. If not, this customer here, it's just going to sit here and no follow-up is going to be assigned to it. And this could be an up that is buying a vehicle. But Danny decided that it was not a valid sales up for some reason. And there's numerous ones in here. The ones that I can tell you for sure that are typically sales customers are Jack's Main Google, Mazda Jack Sales. Pretty much all these are, especially Auto Trader. A customer is not going to call Auto Trader and look for service or parts. They're typically looking for used cars. And this is a minute 27 second long call. So this is probably a valid up. So I would listen to the phone call, add the customer, put the customer first name, last name, email if they gave it to them, and hit add customer. There's some of the customers, I'm showing you an example here, that already have a valid deal. You need to assign it to that same customer. Let me see if I can find one. Like this one right here. So if you click on one of these add customers, and this icon right here pops up, you're simply going to hit proposal or whatever status they're in now. And this will add this phone call to that customer. You see that customer was removed and it was probably put down here as a valid customer. And if you also want to sort by what the number they're calling from, just to see if there's multiple calls coming from the same number, and one may show a customer name, one may show add customer. You just simply click on add customer, hit engaged, and that customer name will be added to the customer column. So What I'm asking for you guys to do as managers is to review this at least once a day. You may have to do it multiple times a day. So you're going to click whatever time frame you want, hit inbound. You're going to sort by customer, so it brings all the calls that have not been assigned yet. You're going to review the phone calls, and then you're going to either add the customer, or if it's not a sales call, you're just going to mark it as service, parts, finance, or whatever it may be. So if we keep up with this, we'll know what's valid sales calls, how many calls came in for service. But as I'm looking and reviewing, majority of these are sales calls. So please do this on a daily basis. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.